raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Hi friends, it's Miss Tiffany from the Miller Branch Library. I'm really hoping to get outside today and play. Let's check the weather forecast.
It's gonna rain.
Oh no, it looks like it's gonna rain. I really want to go outside and play. Do you guys think I can still go even though it's raining? What can I do to go outside and play? Maybe I can wear something to keep me dry. What's something that can keep me dry, my feet dry? I really want to stomp in some puddles. Do you think these shoes would work? Let's test it.
Yeah. Oh no! They're wet!
Well, that didn't really work. What are some different types of shoes that I can wear that would keep my feet dry? What'd you say? Rain boots? That's an excellent idea. Let's try them.
Yeah. They work.
It's raining outside, wear your boots. If it's raining outside, wear your boots. If it's raining outside, then your boots will keep you dry. If it's raining outside, wear your boots. So now my feet are all dry, so I can stomp in some puddles, but what about the rest of me? What can I put on my body to keep my body dry? I have an idea. These cardigans keep me warm. Do you think they'll keep me dry also? Let's test it. Oh, it didn't really keep me dry. Do you guys have another idea? Well, that's smart. A coat. Let's test it out. If it's raining outside, wear your coat. If it's raining outside, wear your coat. If it's raining outside, then your coat will keep you dry. If it's raining outside, wear your coat. All right, so I have my boots and my coat. Do I need something else? My head's wet. What do you think I should wear to protect my head? I have the perfect idea. It's really cute. What do you guys think of this? Do you think this will work? Let's try it. It's not really good at keeping my head dry though. What do you guys think I could use to keep my head dry? An umbrella. Brilliant. You guys are so smart. I happen to have an umbrella here. Let's try it out. It works! If it's raining outside, bring an umbrella. If it's raining outside, bring an umbrella. If it's raining outside, then your umbrella will keep you dry. If it's raining outside, bring an umbrella. All right, let's play outside. It's raining on the grass. It's raining on the trees. It's raining on the roof. Not on me. It's the sun. Mr. Sun's coming out. Yay! The sun shines on the grass. The sun shines on the trees. The sun shines on the roof, but not on me. Today's book is called Rain, and it is written by Manya Stojic. It was hot. Everything was hot and dry. The red soil was hot and dry and cracked. A porcupine sniffed around. "It's time," she whispered. "The rain is coming. I can smell it. I must tell the zebras." Lightning flashed. "The rain is coming," said the zebras. "Porcupine can smell it. We can see it. We must tell the baboons." Thunder boomed. "The rain is coming," cried the baboons. "Porcupine can smell it. The zebras can see it. We can hear it. We must tell the rhino." Raindrops splashed. "The rain is here," said the rhino. "Porcupine smelled it. The zebras saw it. The baboons heard it. And I felt it. I must tell the lion." The lion spoke in a deep purr. "Yes, the rain is here. I can smell it. I can see it. I can hear it. I can feel it. And," he sighed, I can taste it. It rained, and it rained, and it rained. It rained until every river gushed and gurgled. It rained until every water hole was full. Then the rain stopped, and everywhere long feathery grasses grew from the soil. Every tree began to sprout fresh green leaves. I can taste the rain now, purred the lion, and I can enjoy the shade of these big green leaves. I can't feel the rain now, said the rhino, but I can lie in the cool, soft, squelchy mud. We can't hear the rain now, shouted the baboons, but we can eat fresh, juicy fruit from the trees. We can't see the rain now, said the zebras, but we can have a refreshing drink from the watering hole. I can't smell the rain now, whispered the porcupine, but I know that it will come back again when it's time. The sun shone over the plain. It was hot. Everything was drying out. The red soil was hot and dry. A tiny crack appeared. The animals in this book knew that the rain was coming. How do they know? They used their 5 senses. They could feel the rain. They could hear the rain with their ears. They could see the rain with their eyes. They could smell the rain with their noses. They could taste the rain with their mouths. Now I want to show you how to make your very own cloud. Take a bowl of water, put some shaving cream in it, and that is going to be your big fluffy white cloud on top of the water. Once you get your cloud set like you want, take some food dye. I took some blue food dye just because I thought that looked more like raindrops, and then just sprinkle it all over your big fluffy white cloud. And then just watch and wait. Thanks for joining me today, and also thanks to Garrett Lewis for popping in with a quick weather forecast. Be sure to subscribe to the library's YouTube channel, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.